That's a nice Renegade right there.
That's hers.
From Canada.
Yes.
Hey.
You go on a Lingham Lake ride?
Yep.
I was there. I think I saw that Renegade.
With Roger.
Yes, with Roger.
We were there for the campfire.
Oh, okay, no shit, yeah. At fucking Keith's house.
Yeah, Roger never made it. Broke.
Yes, the big guy Eric I was with, the fucking big defender broke too.
Yeah, I seen him tonight. Yeah.
Yeah, he's here.
But Roger's broke, never made it tonight.
Oh.
Incoming! Just for shits and giggles.
Doing? You look like you're having fun anyways.
Rich, where the fuck
Up here, will you relax? Is that hot or is it just my imagination?
It's your imagination.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Oh, not him. Oh, nice helmet. Hey, you need a helmet like that, Janelle.
Oh, we got another one over here.
Yeah, I saw the other one. Yep. Those are dunce caps.
No visor needed. Patent pending.
That's right. Yeah.
Perfect.
That's awesome. How's it going?
Good.
Oh! Yes! Nick, how's your dick, Nick?
Pretty good.
Fucker got slammed earlier.
Yes, sir.
Still wet.
I'm not going
Yeah.
with you. I think you're stupid. I think you're stupid.
Can't get away from
Good
it.
times.
What's going on, buddy?
Reg,
How you been?
where is that?
Good.
Straight up there where the white tent is. This place is a good setup.
Oh, yeah, it really is.
Be there.
Woo! Come on, guys. Taking the memories home with us.
Pretty quiet over here. Pretty quiet.
Don't give him a jump, Adam. Christ.
Well, what the hell? You look bored.
I'm dying of heat.
Shit. Where's your water balloons and shit?
I have a wet towel.
Oh, we still got a bunch of water balloons yet.
Perfect. Bring them by.
Yeah, they're right over. You go by the corner over there, and they'll fucking hit you. I guarantee.
Hey!
No drinking over here, right?
No, never. None from that side of the road either. Yeah! Just go wild, man. Show us your boat.
Hey, how's it going?
Like the
Going.
Oh, did I just kick you off?
You did.
I'm sorry, buddy.
That's a long walk. No, water balloons.
Well, you booby. Yeah, yeah, boobies right over there.
Yeah, wild boobies over here.
You're gonna go over there and get hit.
Yeah. They're gonna go looking for boobies and get whaled with water balloons.
Oh, Rich, they're walking back. You better stay. We're gonna get boobies.
Cheers!
What do you do?
Cheers!
What do you do for your beats?
Huh?
What do you do for your beats?
Why are you drinking my
Oh, I just give them away. Why you ask?
How much money you
What
want?
do you do for your beats? What,
For $5 a piece. Wait, I trade beads for beer also.
oh, never mind. Oh.
I ain't got Bush, or else I'll give it to you. Sounds
Bush? I don't want to see your
what you're
bush.
drinking.
Oh, bush. Oh, bush.
Doesn't grow on busy streets.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I told you lately, being single.
I just decided they don't want to run any trucks. I'm going to walk around for a while and see what the hell's going on.
Get all your fun right there.
You working security again?
Yeah.
Don't look it right now.
Oh, we're drinking. You want a beer?
Yeah, you got one? I would fucking love one.
You want?
I know nothing.
I know nothing.
Free pass.
Hey, so how'd you go out in the Mega Swamp?
What's that?
How'd you do in the Mega Swamp?
The truck's still in one piece, and I'm still alive, so we're doing
That's
good.
good, because
We
that
did multiple
fucker
passes and nothing broke.
You boys still ain't seen any movies yet. They gave you the cold shoulder. Sorry, excuse me. Fucking hitchy. You never know with this guy.
Never know. Apparently, Chris. You never know.
Where? Where? You piss people off? Hey, where's your truck? Your truck. Get it out here. Let's go. Bullshit. Oh yeah!
Hey.
Yeah, that's gonna work. Can you smile a little bit? There you go.
So serious.
I love that fucking cooler right there. Honest to God. That just makes me want to drink a Busch Light.
Makes you fucking horny.
I'm going, yeah!
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
nice cooler. I like it.
jumping in there then. Go jump off the Busch Light cooler. Just dump out so you don't hit
No,
that.
do you see how
It's not
tall?
very deep, was it?
It is. Yeah, that's how we'll see where she lands.
It's at least 6 inches deep. All right, just.
Right there. That's not very good.
What is going on over here? Put your helmet on.
Fuck you, Rich. Fuck you, Rich. Fuck you, Rich.
better jump in.
Hey, you better just jump in, bud.
You are a fucking mess. Hey, shoes are clean, that's all that matters. Fucking jeans. Let's drop right off quick. What the fuck's a silly salmon?
Oh, you'll see. Oh, the girl's
Oh shit.
There you go. Oh no! Hey, you gotta do it!
Gonna do a head dive is what they're gonna do.
Yeah, I know.
Especially together like that. One's gonna jump, the other one ain't. They're both gonna end up in a heap like this girl.
Somebody got a picture of this? Holy fuck. Honey, jump! Oh no.
I lost my face!
Alright, I'll give you more.
We got it!
Thank God for hot summer days. You know what? It's fucking winter, it sucks all winter long.
Yep.